Anhui Shengxin Aluminum Corporation Limited is a professional manufacturer that's specializing in the research, development, manufacture, sale, and service of aluminum profiles. We are located in the Economic and Technological Development Zone, Xuancheng City, Anhui Province, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including extruding line, coating line, oxidizing line, and instruments like indentation tester, hardness tester, spectrometer, paint film impact tester, film scratch tester, and color difference meter. Therefore, our products have strict quality control from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. We have passed ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System. To meet the demands of international markets, our company fully guarantees the stability of our product quality. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Quality and honest is our foundation. Customer satisfactory is our job. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We highly welcome you visit our factory. Thank you for your time.